Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Today we got the Big Reed 106. This thing weighs in at a whopping 130 pounds. This is the largest vise that I've done to date. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Alright. Let's get this thing on here so you guys can see it. Well, it's a little bit heavier than 130. It's 135. This thing's a beast. So, let's get this off the scale. All right, guys, I'm pretty excited. Again, this is the Reed 106, 135 pounds. This thing's a beast. I picked this up about a year ago and I've been saving it for a rainy day. Well, it's a rainy day, so I say we jump right into it. Let's get this thing pulled apart. She sounds good. Alright. So I'm a little curious because when I bought this I didn't see a pin that went through, but clearly there has to be one, right? What do we got here? Okay, a normal set screw. Grab my screwdriver. This thing is just massive. Everything about this thing is huge. Just trying to get the set screw out real quick. There it is. Nice little set screw. Acme screws out. The collar. Alright, that's broken down. You know what? I think I see weld going down throughout the whole thing. Oh shit, no wonder why. Okay. Okay, so you know the slide that the dynamic jaw slides along? They, I guess, created their own and welded that, and in turn by welding that, they stuck the nut behind it and it acts like a lock. So the nut's stationary and then the two slides are right next to it. Let's see if I can. Boy, I wasted a shit ton of PV blaster, didn't I? Let me get you. So let me show you what's going on here. I don't know if you guys can see that too well. Alright, so this right here, these are the slides that the dynamic jaw slides along. There's weld right here, and these are proud of what the nut is. So the nut's back behind the slide, these are welded in place, and then there's a weld right here to hold all of it together. So that's as is designed, I reckon. that or there was an issue, and that was somebody's fix, which kind of screws you because then you can't get the nut out. All right, so I think that we can work around this. I have multiple sizes of wire brushes, so we can definitely get in there and do some really good cleaning. That's what I think we're gonna do. All right, cool. Well, solution presented itself. I still got to clean this up. I'll do that on the wire wheel. I think what I'm going to do is spray a really nice coat of lacquer on this, keep it from flash rusting, and I'm just going to list it like that. I think that's my best plan of action here. I say we get right into it because it's wanting to flash rust now. Let's get this thing back together, shall we? I already put some grease on the slide. I got grease inside the nut. Woo! Thing's a monster. Probably not going to get this on the first try. Hoping I can. Oh yeah. Get this spun around. Let me grab my screwdriver. Hey, how are you? guys, we're all done with this one. This is the Reed 106, 135 pounds of American steel. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video.